There are a lot of different ways to use Twitter. Some users may never post anything on Twitter, choosing instead to follow updates from other people. But for other users, there might be a lot of value in sharing what's going on in your world and joining the conversation. Twitter makes it easy to get started. To post a tweet, you'll need to have your own Twitter account and be signed in. Now, I do want to point out that in this example, we're using the Twitter app for iPhone, but you should be able to follow these same basic steps to tweet from an Android device or from your web browser. Select the new tweet button. The tweet box will appear. Now you can type whatever you want to post to Twitter. Twitter is built for sharing things quickly, so every tweet is limited to just 140 characters. As you type, the counter at the bottom will tell you how many characters you have left. You'll see this actually goes into negative numbers if you use too many characters. You can usually find a way to cut down on the number of characters in a tweet, though. In this example, we're just going to delete a few things and replace them with a semicolon. When you're ready, select Tweet. By default, your tweet will be shared publicly, along with anyone else who follows you on Twitter. It'll also appear at the top of your Twitter timeline. A tweet doesn't just have to be text. For example, you can include a photo with your tweet. You'll start the same way by selecting the tweet button and typing your post. Then choose the camera icon. Then select a photo or use your device's camera to take a new one. In this example, I'm going to choose a photo that's already on my device. When you're ready, select Tweet. And there we go. Another common thing to share on Twitter are links to an article or video on a different website. To share a link, you can simply copy and paste it into your tweet. It's worth pointing out that Twitter will shorten the number of characters in a link automatically, so it doesn't really matter how long the URL to that page is. Once you've posted a link, anyone can select it to open that page. When you're browsing the web, you might often see the option to share that page on Twitter. Just select the tweet or Twitter icon to quickly create a new tweet with a link to that page. You can add any other comments you want, and that's it. Okay, just one more thing. If you want to share a tweet from someone else with the people that follow you, just select the retweet button below any post. It'll then be shared with everyone who follows you on Twitter, even if they don't follow the account that originally posted it. And that's it. Now you're ready to start tweeting and join the conversation on Twitter.